guys, it's Mad Monday again. Today we're going to talk again about comprehensive cleaning. So today we're going to talk about sieving stations and your sieving insert. So first of all, why do you need to clean this? When you look at the manufacturing process, during the welding you have spatter, and that spatter is typically larger than your powder grains. And that's why you sieve the powder at all, right? You want to sieve out the powder. However, sometimes you have particles that are much larger than the grain size of your powder, and sometimes you have particles that are close to your powder size and are close to the mesh size of your sieve. And sometimes you have particles that are almost exactly the same size as the mesh size of your sieve. And these particles will get stuck in your sieve. So what you gotta do is, you gotta clean it, because if you don't, over time it will get stuck more and more, and eventually your sieve will not sieve out just the bad powder, but also the good powder, and will all go to your waste bin. So that's why you need to clean your sieve regularly. In one of the future episodes, I will show you exactly how to do this. So thank you guys for watching, and tune in next week where I will show you how to clean your sieve.